Hi everyone, back here for another video. And yes, this video is about my iPad Pro. Those who have been here in my channel will know that I'm an iPad-only user. I love the versatility of this iPad and how I can use this iPad Pro for so many things, from being my entertainment device to my work companion. And to make me more productive, plus make my iPad more powerful and fun to use, there are many supporting casts that I'd like to show you. These are my current favorite accessories, and coincidentally, these are my favorite black accessories. So let's get into it. In one of my previous videos, I showed how my iPad Magic Keyboard is holding up really well after almost 2 years. And this is one of my most favorite keyboards to type on and one of the best keyboards I've used. The trackpad makes the experience better, and it's definitely way better than using a Bluetooth mouse. So suffice to say, the iPad Magic Keyboard is one of my favorite black accessories. And I should love it because it's very expensive not to love. But seriously, the keyboard and trackpad are really good. And there's no sign of this breaking really soon. So I'm happy with the investment I made on the iPad Magic Keyboard. You might notice, or maybe not, that even my iPad is on the Magic Keyboard. I have it in a case, so the edges are protected. This is so thin that you may have not noticed it, but it's here. This has a textured material at the back, making it grippy and nice to hold. This is the Pitaka MagEZ iPad Case 2. This has built-in magnets, that's why I can still use it with the Magic Keyboard. So I can take out the iPad and not worry about scratching the back since it's in this Pitaka case. This magnetic case is one part that can transform my iPad to a desktop mode. So this brings us to my next favorite iPad accessory, which is the partner of this case. This is the Pitaka MagEZ stand. Pitaka sent over this for my review, but they didn't pay me to make this video. These are my own comments and observations, and I might say that I'm really impressed with this stand from the moment I took it out of the box. The stand itself is made of aluminum alloy, and yes, this is in black color. The base has the very nice textured material, which Pitaka says are finely woven aramid fibers, which apparently is the same material as the case. This looks like a simple stand, but it has many good features. Obviously, it raises the iPad to a better eye level, and I can rotate this easily with just a flick of a finger, literally. It can also do small tilts, which again is quite easy to do even without holding on to the base. Speaking of the base, there's a reason why this has a textured design, and that is to protect my phone from scratches when I charge it on the built-in wireless charger. It does not charge as fast or even as the normal charger because this can only charge iPhones at 7.5 watts, though it can charge other devices like Android phones to up to 15 watts. I can also charge here my AirPods, but in this video, I'm shouting out the Soundpeats TrueAir2 as my favorite wireless headphones, and yes, it is in black. This does not have wireless charging though, but why I like this is because it sounds good, of course, not the same as the AirPods, but maybe almost, and it costs less than $50. And this has more touch gestures or functions on the Soundpeats headphones, like adjusting the volume, which until now the AirPods don't have. One tap on the right side will increase the volume, one tap on the left will decrease the volume. Double tap on the earbuds will pause or play the video, or music, or whatever I'm listening or watching. Tap and hold on the right will skip to the next track, and left will move back one track. Triple tap will bring up Siri. See? Many features for such a cheap device. Now moving on to my next favorite accessories, and this accessories complete the transformation of my iPad into a desktop computer. These are my favorite peripherals. Lately, I'm truly enjoying typing on the Logitech MX Mini, and this is in black color. This is not the usual color which we know that is called the graphite, and I explained how I got this color in my other video, so check it out later if you want to know more about this keyboard. I love this keyboard mainly because of the typing feel. In my opinion, it is almost like the iPad Magic keyboard, but with a higher key travel. It is just satisfying to use. What is quite disappointing though is that it doesn't have the globe key, so it means I cannot do my multitasking shortcuts. But that's fine as long as I have a mouse. So that brings me to my next favorite accessory, which is the Logitech M585 Bluetooth mouse. I choose to pair the Logitech M585 because first, it's black, but also because if I use another device, I can easily switch to it by just pressing this button here. So both the MX Mini keyboard and the M585 mouse have this multi-device feature. I can connect the keyboard to 3 devices and the mouse to 2 devices. And unlike the other multi-device mouse, like the more expensive Logitech MX series, the switch button is at the bottom of those mice. But with the M585, I don't need to turn it upside down to switch devices. Just one press and it's all done. It doesn't disrupt my workflow. Plus, there are other features I like about the M585. One is the horizontal scrolling. And the other are the side buttons, which I can easily customize by going into the assistive settings, go into device, press this keys, one of these side buttons here, and then you can choose the different options that you want to use these side buttons for. So this completes my favorite iPad accessories that are all in black color. These are quite cheap devices, or I should say affordable devices that can surely perform like the high-end ones. That's why I really like using this when I work on my iPad. So I hope this video helps, and that's it. Thanks for watching.